Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to upload high quality videos on TikTok. Let's begin. Initially, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Let's try to upload any video. Click on the plus icon. I already have a video I created. I'm simply gonna upload it. And then I'll click on next. Scroll down to more options and you will see an option called as allow high quality uploads. If it is turned off, do turn it on. Still, if your upload quality is bad, I have another solution for you. Follow my steps. Go to your profile and from here on the top right corner, hit the three lines and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Cellular and Cache and click on Data Saver. Turn it off if it is turned on. And that's it for the video, guys. That's how you upload high quality videos on TikTok. Hope you found this video informative, and for more videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.